319 Nightingale Way, a stylish one-bedroom, top-floor flat located in the popular area of Quarter Mile. Benefiting from lift access, double-glazed windows and an on-site concierge service. Upon entry to the modern property, you're greeted by the wide and open hallway. Moving to the left, the first room is the impressive tiled bathroom, with large walk-in waterfall shower, WC and sink, plus a heated towel rail and mirrored wall. Moving through into the bedroom, with beautiful flooring throughout, this room is bright and airy thanks to the large bay windows, allowing natural light to flood the room. Fully furnished with a double bed and side tables, plus a desk with chair and fitted large wardrobes. Back along the hallway is a large storage cupboard. This houses your washer, dryer and boiler, but leaves plenty of further storage space. To the rear of the property is the heart of this home, the impressive and large open plan and modern living room kitchen diner. First is the lounge area. With sofas and a coffee table, it's the perfect space to unwind. With Velux windows, this room is flooded with natural light. There is also a desk and chair tucked away under a window, offering the ideal workspace. The strip kitchen runs the full length of the room, with fridge freezer, oven, sink, dishwasher and hob. There is also a lovely 4-seater dining table. If this is the property for you, please do contact us at Umega Lettings.